Good day to everyone. In this video, we'll learn about the defect lifecycle. Defect lifecycle, it is also known as the bug lifecycle. It describes the various stages that a software defect or a bug goes through from when the defect it has been discovered till it has been resolved. There are various stages in defect lifecycle. Here you can see the various stages of defect lifecycle. Now let us see one by one what are the stages of defect lifecycle. Whenever the customer gives the requirement, the development team will start developing the software. Once the software has been developed, it will be assigned to the testing team to test it. The testing team, they'll test the product or the software, and if he finds any of the defect in it, now the test engineer, he must send the defect report to the development team. The test engineer, he will prepare a defect report and he'll send an email to the development lead saying that the bug opened. Now the development lead, he will look into the mail and also he will see the details of the bug. He will now see which development engineer has developed that feature, and he will send the defect report to that particular developer and says bug assigned. This is the second stage of defect lifecycle. And in the next stage, that is open, in this open state, the defect is being addressed by the developer, and the development team, he will work on the defect and he will fix it. Based on some of the specific reason, if the development team, if they feel that the defect is not appropriate, then it would be transferred to either rejected or deferred state. The defect, it may be rejected for many reasons, like deferred or duplicate, or it might not be a defect, or non-reproducible, or it can't be fixed, or if more information is needed. We will see in detail why the defect is being rejected in the next video. Once the issue has been addressed by the development team, and after making the necessary changes in the codes or after fixing the identified bug, the state will be changed as fixed. That is, the bug has been fixed. After fixing the defect, the development team or the development engineer, he will send an email to the test engineer saying that bug fixed. He will also CC the development lead. Now the test engineer, he will look into the new build in which the bug has been fixed, and he will retest it again. And if he finds that the bug has been really fixed, then he'll send an email to the developer saying that bug has been closed. And also he will CC an email to the development lead. Every bug, it will be having an unique number. And if the defect it is still pending, then it will be sent back to the development team and it will be changed as bug reopen. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.